over to Vivek for all the stock-specific action.
Well, thank you so much for that. Like you mentioned, quite a listless day, Nifty going nowhere. But in the broader end of the market, it's quite a lot of movers. And especially when you're looking at the auto pack today, the entire auto pack bounced back quite significantly. Yesterday, you saw quite a bit of buying in Maruti from the day's lowest point. And today, that particular up move continued. And along with that, the two-wheelers and some of the ancillaries too did quite well. The next stock on the radar is Poonawalla Fincorp. Just a couple of days back, after a very weak set of numbers, the stock sold off quite significantly. But in the last couple of trading sessions, very strong upward, and stock has managed to recoup most of the losses that it saw post the muted Q2. When you're talking about the third stock on the radar, it was Redington. Redington, very strong set of results. When you're talking about the cloud as well as the mobility business, some growth seen over there. Stock higher by almost 10%. AB Capital, came out with its set of results closer to the end of the trading session. Profitability higher by almost 40%. Stock, quite a bit of a spike, almost 5% higher. And Lakshmi Organics, quite an outlier as far as the chemical pack was concerned. Very strong margin expansion seen over here. Revenues to grow quite strongly. Stock ended higher by almost 7%. But on the other hand, quite a few laggards as well. First on the list has to be Cipla. The company had the conference call yesterday post-market, guiding to a more muted H2, and that is something that led to quite a bit of a sell-off as far as Cipla is concerned. MCX, murmurs of quite a large block, one of the top laggards as far as the F&O space too was concerned today. Five-Star Finance, we'll talk more about it, but a guidance cut keeping that particular stock under quite a bit of selling pressure. Honeywell Auto, again, quite a bit of a disappointment as far as, this particular name was concerned. Margins contracting, missing estimates, Nuvama going ahead and slashing estimates, and stock sold off almost 7%. And lastly, Star Health, again, quite a bit of a miss in this particular quarter. Combined ratio management alluding to the fact that they may not be able to meet what they had guided for at the start of FY25. So that was one of the top laggards as well.
All right.